How to use auto clicker on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to use auto clicker on your iPhone to automate the repetitive task, here is what you can do. First of all, head over to the device settings and from here scroll down to find accessibility. Tap on it. Scroll down and find the option of voice control. Tap on it. Now tap on set up voice control, which is at the top. Tapping on it will give you this page. Tap on continue. Tapping on continue, tap on done. Now all the required files will be downloaded on your device. Next up, tap on commands. Then tap on create new command. Hereby, you have to enter the phrase. Type in start tapping or other phrase that you want to use. Once you do so, tap on action and tap on run custom gesture. Now tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. Make sure to start a sequence of tapping that you want to be followed for auto clicking. Once that is done, tap on save button from the top right corner. Once you have saved the action, whenever you want to start the automated tapping, you can activate the voice control and say start tapping. So this is how you can enable auto clicking or auto clicker on iPhone. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.